Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to enhance your device experience, the ROADOM Tablet Stand. We found this product online and have added a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what the ROADOM Tablet Stand is all about. This adjustable 360-degree swivel bracket is designed to hold a range of devices, from smartphones to tablets and portable monitors, accommodating sizes from 4.7 inches to 17.3 inches. Whether you're using an iPad, an iPhone, or any other tablet, this stand is versatile enough to meet your needs. One of the standout features of the ROADOM Tablet Stand is its robust construction. Made from high-quality ABS and aluminum alloy, this stand ensures that your devices are kept safe and secure. The protective rubber clamp prevents scratches and falls, while the anti-slip rubber pads provide stability during use. This means you can focus on your activities without worrying about your device sliding off or getting damaged. Comfort is key, and this tablet stand excels in that area too. With a 360-degree swivel bracket and a 180-degree tiltable clamp, you can easily adjust the angle of your device for the best viewing experience. This ergonomic design is perfect for reducing neck pain and eye strain, whether you're working from home, attending a video conference, or simply enjoying a movie. It's all about maximizing your comfort as you engage in your favorite activities. Portability is another significant advantage of the ROADOM Tablet Stand. Its foldable and compact design makes it easy to carry around. You can effortlessly slip it into your backpack, which is ideal for travelers, students, and professionals. If you're someone who needs a reliable tablet stand on the go, this product is a great companion. So, who is this tablet stand suitable for? It's perfect for anyone who regularly uses devices for various purposes. If you love cooking and need a recipe in front of you, this stand allows you to place your tablet at the perfect angle. Gamers can enjoy their sessions without cramping their necks, while those involved in online education can have their devices positioned just right for effective learning. It's also a great tool for vlogging or live streaming, giving you the hands-free convenience you need to engage with your audience. Now, let's look at some practical use cases. Imagine you're in the kitchen following a cooking tutorial on your tablet. With the ROADOM Tablet Stand, you can easily adjust the angle to ensure you have a clear view of the screen, all while keeping your hands free for chopping and mixing. Or perhaps you're working from home and attending a video call. This stand lets you keep your device at eye level, which helps maintain good posture during those long meetings. Likewise, if you're a student, you can use it to hold your tablet during online lectures, making note-taking much more comfortable. In addition to its functionality, the ROADOM Tablet Stand boasts a sleek design that will fit seamlessly in any environment, whether it's your home office or living room. The exquisite craftsmanship and smooth edges make it a stylish addition to your gadget collection. It also makes for an excellent gift for family and friends who love their devices. In summary, the ROADOM Tablet Stand is a well-built, versatile, and portable solution for anyone looking to enhance their experience with tablets and smartphones. With its sturdy construction, ergonomic design, and stylish appearance, it's a product that truly delivers on its promises.